Hello and welcome to the new teacher crash course. I am so happy you are here and I can't wait to get started with you and get this school year off to a great start. So you are in the right place if this is one of your first years teaching, or maybe you haven't been in the classroom for a while and you just need a quick refresh. Anyone who wants to get ready for the school year, and be ready when their students walk in the door, this is the right place for you. So, welcome. My name is Jamie Bonato, and I'm a 21-year teacher veteran. I've taught high school math for 16 years. I've also coached other teachers. I teach in credential programs, and I mentor teachers, and I also train teacher mentors. So I love teaching, but I also love working with other teachers, and it's really where my heart is and where I learn so much. So I am so glad that you are here with me. The goal of this crash course is to provide a framework and resources to create a basic classroom setup. So this is not going to cover everything about teaching. Hopefully, a lot of that was covered in your credential program or other teacher preparation programs that you've been enrolled in. But this is really going to get down to the nitty-gritty of you should have this in place in order to get your classroom up and running smoothly. In addition to kind of getting this year up and running smoothly, I'm hoping my second goal is to create a foundation for continued growth. So this is going to give you a jumping off spot of where you can go from here and what you can do to further your professional development and learning. So this course is based on elements of a book that I wrote. And so let me back up a little bit. I was teaching in credential programs, and I was teaching classroom management and organization. As I was putting together my curriculum for the class, I realized that I couldn't find a book that really taught teachers how to envision, create, and maintain an effective classroom. And so I pulled those elements together and I wrote the book, The Other Side of the Desk. So this crash course is based on some key elements from The Other Side of the Desk. So I pulled out what I think are the definite must-haves to get your classroom up and running. So it really is a crash course from a larger course that was created for teachers. So before the pandemic, I taught exclusively, at least for my K-12 teaching, was in the classroom. And then I realized when we went online and hybrid, there were some elements and new tricks that I had to pick up. And as I go back into the classroom, I'm going to pull a few of those tricks with me. So as we go through, I might mention, there's a few different ways to do this. A few takeaways we've learned from distance and online learning and hybrid learning that we might bring back into the classroom. So this is a great course if, let's say, your student teaching or your teacher preparation was done while we were doing distance or hybrid learning during the pandemic, and you're going to be entering the classroom for the first time, the actual physical classroom. This is a great course for you. So this crash course is laid out into 4 different sections. There's the lay of the land, basic classroom setup, organization, and lesson planning. So lay of the land, I suggest you do not skip that one. So yes, you can bounce around between these different modules, but I really suggest that you do lay of the land first. And then we have classroom setup, organization, and I threw lesson planning in there because I think having solid lesson plans really helps with classroom management and organization. So before you get started, go ahead and download the companion workbook. I'm old school, so I actually have mine printed off to write in, but some of you may be more comfortable filling that out online or having a digital version of it. So do whatever works for you. And I can't wait to get started. So I'll see you in Module 1.